Why do you have to talk so much, bro?
It's my nature. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Look at my hair now. I'm inspired.
She's 10 years old. Learn something. Pictures. No, I sat down to edit the whole vlog of this vlog, and then I realized half of the clips are missing, bro. Like, there was supposed to be 71 items and I uploaded all of them to Google Drive. Some of them failed. I re-uploaded, but then it got repeated. Middle ka parts and the intro parts are missing. I'm gonna put in the intro from a very old video, so please manage. And if something is missing, I'll tell you story. Don't worry. I'll keep you updated. Don't worry. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. Hi. So yeah, we are heading out now. First, I think we'll have lunch, and then we are gonna go do some shopping. I wanna buy a t-shirt or a shirt or something else, and I want another goggle. Yeah, I know it's my third goggle. Stop complaining. No, you're just giving me free content. Come on, come here. He has her own YouTube channel, by the way. She plays Roblox.
It's Roblox.
Roblox, yes. Oh my god, this generation, bro. Okay. This is the restaurant we are going right now, and
We can't hear you.
I don't know. The comments here.
Meta soup India.
I want my. I don't want it.
The manchow soup is bad. I did not like it at all. Yeah, I know I'm talking like this because my parents are around here and I don't wanna, hurt their feelings. But I am gonna put this in the vlog. Okay, lunch done. I didn't like the food at all. Plus, I don't eat rice, so they are eating rice right now, and I'll just go downstairs, click a few pictures. I didn't like the food at all. The food is bad. Don't come here. Why do you have to talk so much, bro?
It's my nature.
And why do you think talking to other people is good?
Because, if you have good friends, they can help you in anything. And it's kind of like you don't have to feel lonely. You have lots of people to talk. You can actually, they can help you. You can help them. And it's kind of a feeling that will make you happy.
She's 10 years old. Learn something. Pictures.
I'm your sister.
And this is the other one who doesn't talk at all. Pechu feels one thing. After that very not so good lunch,
Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
we are heading to Vega City. Vega City or Vega City?
Vega.
Vega City. I don't know where it is.
It's 15 minutes from here.
15 minutes from here. It's 15 minutes from here, and we go there shopping mall after some ice cream. And
I am
lots
waiting.
of photos.
Okay.
We
Please.
will go now.
Please.
ಈ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗಿನ ಮಾಲ್ nice. If you haven't watched the series already, Tokyo Dies, you're welcome. First things first, I'll finish that one shopping that I have left. Okay, yeah, shopping sum up. We are gonna take our time to window shop each and every brand around here, so that's gonna take a while. Yeah, I'll keep you updated, man, don't worry. I'm selfish enough to tell that once my shopping is done, I don't have the patience to wait for anybody else. Guilty is just, but that's how I am. You see that white jacket? I want it, but I can't afford it right now. It's a vending machine, bro. I haven't used one of these at all. Don't know how to use this, but I think it's Kali. They need to restock. What is this Coca-Cola? After worrying for 3 hours, she finally bought a purse. Congratulations, my mother.
Goodie.
You happy?
Yeah, now it's done.
First forever I'm thinking to wear this. Look at my hair now.
I'm too tired, bro. And I can't seem to get my eyes off stuff that are so cool. For instance, look at this, okay? I'm in love all over again. The guy inside was staring at me and freaking me out. Best fucking donuts ever. Finishing the whole mall. Yes, I'm coming. Today was a very tiresome day. I had to walk a lot, bro, like a lot. The restaurant, the mall, the shopping and other stuff that I didn't put in the video, the family stuff. I had to walk a lot. I'm tired for now. I just have to go home and figure some stuff out. I'll tell you guys later, but yeah, for now I'll come to Starbucks and I've ordered pumpkin spice latte iced. You know how much it costs, and for rich people and all, they just come here and be like, yeah, I would like a venti mocha latte, and they'll just pay, like swipe the card, not even swipe the card, they will tap the card, they'll come. But yeah, for us, we sit, we put stories, we preserve the cup for like 10 years, yeah. We need that. So I'm gonna sit here, I'll take some rest until my mom and my cousin sisters come back. I'll sit here, I'll chill, bro, and just take a break. Okay. Please leave him alone. Bye. We are heading home now. And the Ola cab guy missed the exit for our house. We just stepped down and Chikama is still in the car. She's getting down, and until then we'll go upstairs, we'll fresh up, drink another round of coffee and something, we'll sit and chill. I think I'll end the vlog, but I don't know. Let's go upstairs and see what will happen. It's been a long day. I was planning on continuing the vlog downstairs with the family and introducing everybody properly and all. But yeah, I think I'll do that when I'm departing tomorrow to Maldives. Like, we have our flight at 10 p.m. in the afternoon. We have to be in the airport by 10 a.m. We have to leave home by 8 o'clock. Big stuff, big international stuff that I don't know about. Okay, my mom just follow through and I'll explain it to you guys and learn at the same time. So yeah, I'm talking to you with this beautiful sunset behind me because this is the end of the video. So thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Batta. Welcome to the family.
Make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.